This man was quoted over $20,000 to replace his Tesla battery, but he paid us under $9. So if you own a Tesla or you're thinking about buying one, in today's video, I'm talking about 5 things Tesla will never tell you about battery replacement. Let's go check out some batteries and get straight into it. We have been replacing hybrid and EV batteries since 2012. On top of that, we have 34 locations across the United States, Canada, and in the UK where literally all we do is replace batteries. And you might be thinking, how many batteries actually go bad in the first place? Well, the answer is a lot. And instead of just telling you, let me show you why. Right now, there are tens of thousands of Tesla about to hit the 8-year-old mark. That is the magic number. That's when the battery warranty runs out, and that's where the panic starts to kick in. Because everywhere you look online, people are saying the same thing. My Tesla battery died. Tesla quoted me $20,000. The car is totaled. I'll never buy an electric car again. But here's what nobody is telling you online. A dead Tesla battery does not mean your entire car is done. It does not mean you have to pay Tesla $20,000. Tesla wants you to think there's only one option, but there's not, and I'm gonna prove it. But first, let's have a look at a Tesla Model 3 and a Tesla Model S battery, just to get a better idea. This is a Tesla Model S battery pack, and this is a Tesla Model 3 battery pack. Right away, you can tell they look different, but here's what most people don't realize. Neither one of these is a single battery. These packs are made up of individual modules and thousands of individual cells working together. The Model 3 and the Model Y, they have 4 long modules inside of the battery pack. But going to the Model S and the Model X, depending on the year, has anywhere from 14 to 16 modules. And each module has its own electronics, sensors, cooling lines, and safety systems. And here's the part that changes everything. Even if one section of this pack goes wrong, one weak module, one shortened brick, the entire car shuts down. Not because every module is dead, but because the computer won't even let it run. Now, if you're really interested and want to go deeper into the BMS and the BMB and the actual electronics inside of these packs, go watch our last video on the Tesla Model 3 battery. We break it down piece by piece, but for now, just understand this. Your Tesla battery isn't one big thing. So with all of these components inside these battery packs, it sparks the question, why do these batteries actually fail in the first place? And usually it's one of these 5 things. Number 1, a weak internal short in a single brick. This can happen at any mileage at any age. Tesla technicians will tell you it's not even necessarily caused by supercharging. It just happens. Number 2, moisture or water intrusion. This can lead to corroded sensors, failed valves, and bad seals. 3, cooling system failure. These packs are liquid cooled. If the coolant does not flow, the battery can and will overheat. Number 4, voltage imbalance. One module drifts away from the others and the whole pack stops working. Number 5, age and heat cycling. Years of fast charging, hot summers, cold winters, they add up. Now, before I tell you what it actually costs, let me tell you the 4 biggest mistakes Tesla owners make when their battery actually dies. Mistake number 1, they take Tesla's first quote. They get told $20,000 and they panic. They sell the car, they trade it in for nothing, and then they go buy the next new Tesla. That's exactly what Tesla wants you to do. And the next mistake, they don't check the warranty. This one's actually kind of funny. We had a customer come in for a battery replacement quote, and when we were talking through the details with the customer, we realized they were still under Tesla's warranty. This means Tesla would have covered it completely, and they had no idea. So make sure to always check your warranty before you spend a single dollar. Mistake number 3 is they think Tesla is their only option. Independent companies like ours can do the same exact replacement for up to 50% less than what Tesla charges. Same result, usually half the price, and we'll get into exactly what that looks like in just a minute. Mistake number 4, and this one catches more people than you'd ever think. They confuse the high voltage battery with the 12-volt battery. These are two completely different parts. One is $200, the other one is $8,000 to $15,000. So now that you know what not to do, let's go into what you actually should do and which option is right for you. If your Tesla is under 8 years old and under the mileage gap, go to Tesla first and make them honor that warranty. Don't spend a single dollar if you don't have to, because you're actually going to find a lot of shops online. These little independent guys who watch a few YouTube videos and call themselves Tesla experts. And they'll tell you, hey, we found the bad module. It's just one block, we'll replace it and everything will be just fine. But here's the problem with that. And I always tell people, it's like this. Have you ever had a TV remote where it takes 2 AA batteries and the TV remote dies and there's 2 batteries inside? You take one bad one out, you take a new one and you put it back inside the remote. That TV remote is actually gonna work maybe for a couple days, maybe for a week, and then it's gonna go bad again. It's the same principle with batteries. And it's actually way more in depth because you're gonna have thousands and thousands of components in each battery pack itself. And they're finding out what is bad, not what is going to go bad. And on top of that, I would ask you this. What happens when you go to sell the car? Someone asks about the battery, you tell them, oh yeah, it went bad. We replaced 1 out of the 16 modules. Everything else in the pack is 10 years old, but there's 1 module that's new. 1 fresh piece, 15 old ones. That's not a fix. That's a Band-Aid on a broken system. So here's what we do at Greentec Auto and why it's different. Number 1, we've been in business for 13 years. We've seen what actually happens when repairs get cut short, and we decided a long time ago, we're not gonna do it the cheap way. That's why we do a similar thing that Tesla does, but at a fraction of the cost. All of the modules come out, every single one. The bad ones don't get repaired, they don't get reused. They get sent to our recycling facility, where the batteries are recycled to gain valuable materials to build new batteries in the future. Because that's how you do this. Not 3 hours of guessing which module is bad, not 1 fresh piece inside a 10-year-old pack. A complete and proper replacement is what we do. So if you're watching this and your Tesla battery is acting up, maybe losing range, throwing codes, or won't charge, don't panic, and definitely don't take the first quote you get. Reach out to us, we'll do a free diagnostic. We'll tell you exactly what failed, no pressure, no upselling, just the truth. Now, I wanna actually hear from you guys. So if you've got quoted for a Tesla battery replacement, put it in the comments below and I wanna see. And if your Tesla's still running strong, put the mileage below so we can kind of see where everybody else is at. And on top of that, if you actually stuck with me throughout today's video, use coupon code GT33 to get $350 off for not if, but when your Tesla battery goes bad. See you guys in the next one.